Ever pause to consider what's on your plate, wondering if there could be a healthier, tastier alternative? It's time to question what we're putting into our bodies. Our current diets, often filled with processed foods and lacking in essential nutrients, leave much to be desired. As we strive for better health and well-being, what we eat becomes increasingly important. Enter the Mediterranean diet, an eating pattern that's not just a passing fad, but a lifestyle rooted in tradition and science. It's a diet that emphasizes the consumption of plant-based foods, healthy fats, and even permits the moderate intake of wine. Its benefits go beyond the scale, promoting heart health and overall well-being. This is a diet that's not just about restriction, but about enjoying a variety of foods that are both nutritious and delicious. So if you're ready to make a change, to embrace a diet that is as good for your heart as it is for your palate, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we delve into the heart of the Mediterranean diet. Imagine dining in the heart of Italy, Greece, or Spain. That's the Mediterranean diet in a nutshell. Picture this. It's a warm, sunny afternoon and you're enjoying a leisurely meal with friends or family. The table is laden with an array of vibrant and delicious foods, fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, fish, and olive oil. There's a bottle of red wine too, but it's enjoyed in moderation. This is the essence of the Mediterranean diet, a dietary pattern that encapsulates the traditional eating habits of people living in Mediterranean countries. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a meal plan, it's a lifestyle, a celebration of food, and a testament to the importance of communal dining. Unsurprisingly, it is rich in plant-based foods. Think fruits, vegetables, beans, nuts, legumes, and whole grains. These constitute the backbone of the diet, providing necessary nutrients, fiber, and a host of compounds. But the diet isn't just about what you eat, it's also about the fats you consume. The focus is on healthy fats, the kind that nourishes your body and heart. Olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, is a primary source of these fats. It's used for cooking, dressing salads, and even as a topping for bread. Fish, another key component of the diet, provides omega-3 fatty acids known for their heart health benefits. The Mediterranean diet also includes a moderate consumption of wine, particularly red wine, which is rich in antioxidants. However, the key word here is moderation. But what makes this diet truly stand out are the benefits it offers. Numerous studies have linked the Mediterranean diet to a plethora of health benefits, from promoting heart health to aiding in weight loss. It's also associated with overall well-being thanks to its emphasis on whole, unprocessed foods. In a world where fad diets come and go, the enduring popularity of the Mediterranean diet is a testament to its effectiveness and its appeal. Now that we know what the Mediterranean diet is, let's explore how to get started. You're probably wondering what's on the menu. Well, the Mediterranean diet is abundant in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. It's like a cornucopia of vibrant colors and flavors. Imagine biting into a juicy apple, or savoring a perfectly ripe tomato, or crunching down on a handful of fresh green peas. These are not just side dishes, but the main event in the Mediterranean diet. And it's not just about fruits and vegetables. Whole grains are also a key player. Picture a warm, crusty loaf of whole grain bread drizzled with olive oil, or a hearty bowl of brown rice or bulgur wheat mixed with fresh herbs and spices. These are the kind of slow-release carbohydrates that keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the day. Now let's talk about protein. Fish and seafood are the stars of the show here, with a supporting cast of legumes, nuts, and seeds. Imagine the delicate flavor of grilled fish or the satisfying crunch of roasted nuts. These provide not just protein but also a wealth of essential vitamins and minerals, and we can't forget about olive oil. This liquid gold is the heart of Mediterranean cuisine, used for cooking, dressing salads, drizzling on bread, you name it. It's a source of healthy fats that are good for your heart and your brain. Now, what about the foods to limit? Red meat, sugar, and saturated fats should be consumed sparingly. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy a juicy steak or a sweet treat every now and then, but these should be the exception rather than the rule. Just as important as what you eat is how much you eat. The Mediterranean diet values moderation and balance. It's not about deprivation, but about savoring and enjoying food in its most natural, wholesome form. So we've got our shopping list ready. Next, we explore how to cook these delicious foods. Cooking the Mediterranean way isn't just about what you eat, but also how you prepare it. The Mediterranean diet is unique because it's not just about the ingredients you use, but also the methods of cooking you choose. So let's dive into the kitchen and explore some of these culinary techniques. Grilling is a favorite in the Mediterranean region. It's not only a healthier option that reduces fat content, but it also brings out the natural flavors of the food, making each dish a delightful experience. Think about grilling your vegetables or your fish, and you'll be amazed at the taste explosion that awaits. Next up, we have steaming. This method is perfect for preserving the nutrients and colors in your vegetables. It's a gentle way to cook, retaining the crispness and vibrancy of your greens. Imagine biting into a perfectly steamed broccoli floret, its bright green color still intact and its texture crisp yet tender. Baking is another brilliant way to prepare your meals. This method allows you to cook your food in its own juices, enhancing the flavors without the need for additional fats. Picture a whole fresh herbs and lemon slices baked to perfection in your oven. Speaking of herbs, let's not forget the essential role they play in Mediterranean cooking. Herbs and spices are the soul of Mediterranean cuisine. They add flavor, color, and aroma to your dishes, reducing the need for excessive salt. From oregano to rosemary, thyme to basil, the options are endless. So don't shy away from experimenting with these aromatic wonders. In the Mediterranean diet, it's all about balance and enjoyment. It's about taking the time to savor and appreciate the food. It's about using fresh, quality ingredients and preparing them in ways that maximize their health benefits and flavors. So as you embark on this culinary journey, remember it's not just about what's on your plate, but also how it's prepared. We're almost ready to dive into this diet, but first let's talk about how to integrate it into your lifestyle. Changing your diet can seem daunting, but with these practical tips, it'll be a breeze. The first step to incorporating the Mediterranean diet into your lifestyle is to start small. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither should your diet be. Begin by swapping out 1 or 2 items in your pantry for Mediterranean alternatives. Planning your meals in advance is another practical tip that can make this journey smoother. When you plan your meals, you can ensure that you're including a variety of nutrient-rich foods from the Mediterranean diet. Think about whole grains for breakfast, a salad drizzled with olive oil for lunch, and a hearty vegetable stew for dinner. Another way to ease into this dietary pattern is to involve your family. Make it a fun family project to discover new recipes together. Not only will this bring variety to your meals, but it will also make the dietary transition easier and more enjoyable. Plus, who could turn down a family cook-off every now and then? Remember, moderation is key. The Mediterranean diet encourages the consumption of wine, but it's all about balance. A glass of red wine with your dinner is perfectly fine, but remember to keep it moderate. Let's not forget about physical activity. A healthy lifestyle is not just about what you eat, but also about staying active. Pair your Mediterranean diet with regular exercise for the best results. And finally, enjoy the process. The Mediterranean diet is not just about eating healthy, but it's also about enjoying your food and savoring the flavors. So take your time, enjoy your meals, and relish in the journey of discovering a new way of eating. With these tips, you're ready to embark on your Mediterranean diet journey. In the end, it's all about making healthier choices for a healthier you. The Mediterranean diet offers a tantalizing palette of benefits, promoting heart health, aiding weight loss, and enhancing overall well-being. It's a diet that celebrates the beauty of plant-based foods, indulges in healthy fats, and even allows for the moderate consumption of wine. This diet is not about deprivation, but about enjoying the rich flavors of the Mediterranean region. It's about savoring fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, all cooked using simple, traditional methods that preserve their natural goodness. Getting started is as easy as choosing whole foods over processed ones and olive oil over butter. It's about swapping your steak for a hearty bean stew, your soda for a glass of red wine, and your bag of chips for a handful of nuts. Remember, the Mediterranean diet isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle. Here's to a healthier, tastier you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. Stay tuned for more health and wellness videos.